Hey guys, I'm doing an honest review on this Bluetooth adapter. This is by Lencent, Lencent. So if you're looking to get one, I do recommend this one. It's been good for us, but I do want to kind of tell you about some of the features to it. It's pretty small. It's just a little adapter, but they do have a few options here. You got ports for charging, one for listening to music if you have a USB drive. They both work to charge, by the way. I've used both of them. There's an SD slot in the front here if you have music on that, I guess. And then there are other features like the front and back. Whether you're pretty much just while you're listening to music, you can skip or go back. This notch here is for answering calls. I've never really used it that way, but I guess you can. And then this top part is blank, but what will happen is when you do put this into your cigarette lighter, the white line all the way around will light up blue, and then a number will appear on the top. So personally, what I use this for is listening to music, taking calls, and charging my phone. So what happens is at the top, it'll give you a number like 107.9, something like that. And then you just take that number, you sync it to, you go to your radio, change it to 107.9, for example. If that's all matched up there, then you take this and you go to your cell phone, link it to your Bluetooth, and then from there you can literally play any music, you can take any calls, anything like that. And honestly, I've had other products that are very staticky, and I have yet to have that with this product, which has been really nice. So I would recommend this. It's been really good for me. And again, I've had this for about 6 months. So far, had zero issues, charges well. I can hear music super well. I can take calls without a problem as well. So if you're looking for a car Bluetooth adapter, this one again by Lencent has been pretty good, and I would recommend it.